Hey guys, today I'm going to cook some breakfast sausage in my toaster oven. So let's get toasting. I have this 12-ounce package of Johnsonville breakfast sausage here, and I'm going to see if it will all fit in my 10-inch cast iron skillet. That's my toaster oven tray right there, and it's really not much bigger than this cast iron skillet is, so I think sausage usually turns out pretty good in cast iron, so we'll see if I can squeeze all these in there. Perfect, I think that should work. I set the oven to bake and I turned it all the way up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So we'll see how this works. It's been about 15 minutes, so I want to see how the bottom of these look. Oh yeah, the bottom is browning more, so I'm gonna kind of roll them over and then put them back in. Then we'll let them go just a few more minutes. It's been 25 minutes. It smells great in here. I rotated the pan so the handle's this way instead of over here. And I would say those look good. Well, it looks like that worked out pretty good. Let's give one a try here. Those are really good. Sausage always tastes good cooked in cast iron. Annie the taste test dog showed up. Want to try some sausage, Annie? Oh. That was a nice big chunk, huh? What, do you got a flea or something bugging you? That actually worked out really good. That was better than cooking them on the stove. I always burn them on the stove. And now I know I can just cook the whole package at once, then put the leftovers in the fridge and they're ready to go for a few days. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.